Hello friends, so today we are going to look at how to make cheese ball. Look at this yummy cheese ball filled with cheese. So we'll take a boiled potato, mashed boiled potato. To that we'll add cut onion. So I think this is enough onion. If you take 2 or 3 boiled potato, you add 1 onion. And then you take boiled corn, which you can crush little bit in the crusher, and then you add that as well to this mixture. Once you added all the corn, time to add all the masalas. We'll start with salt, add as per your taste. Then you add chilli flakes, again as per your taste. If you want more spicy, you can add a little bit more. You add black pepper powder to this mixture. Also add the Italian herbs or just oregano. That gives really good taste to these cheese balls that we make. After that, you can add cheese. Now you can take mozzarella, cheddar, whatever is available. But if it is little bit of shredded into pieces, small pieces, that will be good. You add all this mixture together, mix really well, and then form a dough kind of a thing. Now you make some balls out of it, and the size is what you prefer, bigger, smaller. Make a little bit of hole inside, and then you can add some cheese pieces into that, and this is again as per your taste. Don't add too much, because what will happen otherwise when you fry the balls, that might burst into oil. So add a little bit. So this is our first one. I'll show you one more. Again, make a ball, and then you just make a cavity inside where you can add your cheese pieces. Here I am using cheddar one. Add them into the middle, and then again seal that properly. Make that ball again, and that is how you can make your cheese balls. So this is how we have made all our cheese balls ready. Time to create our slurry. You add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and to that you add 1 tablespoon of maida, and to make that slurry you add water. The consistency you'll have to adjust. Add little bit of water to start. You'll have to ensure that there are no lumps in this mixture. Adjust the consistency as you go on. If you require a little bit more water, please add little at a time. Don't add too much, otherwise it will be very watery. It should be like a slurry. It can get nicely coated onto your balls. Add balls into the slurry, coat them really well, and once you have coated them well, you can then put them onto the breadcrumb mixture. The breadcrumb mixture here I have, which has a little bit of spice already added to that. I'm just coating the breadcrumbs really well, and once they are really well coated, I will again adjust the balls a little bit. Very gently you will have to do that, because the mixture is really very soft. I'll show one more. So dip the balls into the slurry, coat them well. You have to be really very gentle here. Coat the ball with the breadcrumbs again. Coat really well. From all the sides it should be coated. And then you'll have to again form the ball if the shape is disturbed. And like that, this is my last one which I've created. And yay, these are all balls ready to be fried. You can keep this in the fridge and just fry it when you need it. So that's also possible. Ensure that your oil is really hot, and then you dip in the balls there. So once you dip in the balls, you don't just put in oil, and then you just fry them the way you fry all the bhajiyas or vadas. It's very similar to that. And see, all the mixture inside is already cooked. Your corn is cooked, your potato is cooked, and you'll have to just cook the mixture, the slurry that is coated, and the breadcrumbs for the crust. And this is how they look, golden color for our cheese balls. You can see my chai is also piping hot there next to the cheese balls. And our cheese balls are ready to be eaten with nice hot tea. If you like this recipe, please subscribe. Thank you.